Tired of seeing those vibrant neon signs everywhere and wishing you had a piece of the action? You're not alone. But where exactly do you get your hands on these glowing coins? Let's dive in. Neon coins, for the uninitiated, are the digital currencies powering a rapidly growing ecosystem of decentralized applications, dApps, built on the Neon blockchain. Think of them as the fuel that drives this innovative new world. But before you can start exploring the exciting possibilities of the Neon ecosystem, you need to acquire some Neon coins. Now, the good news is, there are a few key avenues to get your hands on some Neon. Let's break them down. Cryptocurrency exchanges. This is often the most straightforward route. Major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken may list Neon. Check their platforms regularly for updates on supported cryptocurrencies. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. If you prefer a more decentralized approach, explore DEXs like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. These platforms allow you to directly swap other cryptocurrencies for Neon. Neon wallets. Some Neon wallets may offer built-in features for purchasing Neon directly within the wallet interface. When selecting your preferred method, consider these factors. Ease of use. Some platforms are more user-friendly than others, especially for beginners. Fees. Transaction fees can vary significantly between exchanges and DEXs. Security. Prioritize platforms with robust security measures to protect your funds. Liquidity. Ensure the platform has sufficient liquidity for Neon trading to avoid slippage, significant price fluctuations during your trade. Before you start buying or trading cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to prioritize security. Strong passwords. Use unique, complex passwords for all your crypto accounts. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA whenever possible for an extra layer of security. Phishing scams. Be wary of phishing attempts through emails, social media, or other channels. Research thoroughly. Always do your own research, DYOR, before investing in any cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.